Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how can I use 3D effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps and click new project and add the photo that you want to edit, this one. If you wanna use a 3D effect, you can use just for a photo, okay? No video, just for a picture or your photo. And after this, you can click add at the bottom, this one, click on it, and in here you just click on clips, this one, click on it, and in here you can swipe like this until you can see on style, this one, click on style, and in here you can swipe until you can see 3D Pro or a 3D zoom effect, this one. So you just click on this one, maybe on a 3D zoom pro, please waiting. Okay, this is the 3D zoom pro like this. But if you wanna use a 3D zoom, you just click on 3D zoom. Okay, please waiting. This is the 3D zoom effect. You can use everything you like, maybe a 3D zoom pro or 3D zoom, but me, I like a 3D zoom pro. So I use a 3D zoom pro. And after this, you can click check icon in here and finish, so that how you can use 3D effect. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.